Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate temperature in Celsius. Understanding temperature scales is essential for many applications, from cooking to scientific experiments. We'll focus on converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, which is a common need. This process involves a straightforward formula that you can easily apply. Let's dive into the steps to make these conversions clear and simple for you. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, you'll use a specific formula. First, take your Fahrenheit temperature and subtract 32 from it. This initial step adjusts for the different 0 points of the two scales. After that, you'll multiply that new number by the fraction 5/9. This fraction accounts for the different size of the degree units. It's a simple two-step calculation. Let's walk through an example to solidify your understanding. Imagine you have a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Following our formula, first subtract 32 from 68, which gives you 36. Next, multiply 36 by 5/9. 36 divided by 9 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. So, 68 degrees Fahrenheit is 20 degrees Celsius. While we focused on Fahrenheit to Celsius, you might also need to convert the other way. To go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you multiply the Celsius temperature by 9/5, then add 32. This essentially reverses the operations we just learned. Remember, practice makes perfect with these conversions. Also, for more helpful tips and great deals, including a link for leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.